Hi my besties, long time no filter. So I'm sure y'all will be wondering what's up with this costume. Can you see? I want to be teaching you guys my own way of making vegetable soup. I want to make vegetable soup today. And if you're seeing me for the first time, do well to subscribe, like, and I'm sure at the end of this video you would want to share. Let's get to work. It will go by two. The aroma, oh my gosh, the look, the taste. So what I normally do here is I make sure I wash this with salt, because the kind of chemicals they use on plants, man, is not something we should consume. So to be on the safer side, I use salt to make sure it doesn't cause any damages to my system. if you notice, it is not boiling as it were before I added the vegetables. That's because I don't want it to be too soft. I want it half done. So yeah, this is ready to be served and eaten like never before. Trust me guys, it tastes even better. See you guys on my next post. But before you go, make sure to drop a comment. Let us know what you think. Tell me how much you rate my food. Yeah, even though you do not taste it.